Hey reseller besties, it is Stephanie with Three Queens Resell, and I am back with my daily what sold video. So friends, it's late in the day. It's 2 o'clock. I'm supposed to be going live on TikTok now. That's not going to happen. The day, it just happens. But let's get into what sold today. Well, yesterday actually. These are a few of my sales. If you're new here and you want reseller content, you need reseller content, and you want to learn how to turn your clothing into cash, hit all my buttons, give me a follow, and join me live daily 2 p.m. Eastern. So first up is this My Chemical Romance knit cardigan. She is new with tag and was listed for 42 days. She sold on Poshmark for 25. After fees, I made 20. Also, another new with tag item are these Everett Lane denim jeans. These are the 90s baggy, and they sold in 329 days. It took a while to sell. That's okay. They sold for $28. And then we had another oldie goldie. This is a Zara, also a Poshmark sale, 388 days. Friends, I actually stay away from Zara now unless it's just a slamming a statement piece. So definitely look up the comps on Zara items. Do like a Google screen search. But this sold for 22 on Poshmark, and after fees I made $17.60. Then we had another item that I would also recommend looking up. This is White House Black Market. A little bit harder to find comps on this brand unless you have the exact item name, but give it a try with that Google screen search. These sold on eBay after 486 days at 60% off for $13.28. After fees, I made $9.61. Friends, all of these items that I've showed so far have come from the Goodwill outlet. The next three are going to have come from different places, and I'll go into a little detail about those. So next up are these A New Day wide leg satin pants, new at tag, a size extra large. I picked these up from a place called Falling Prices. They have Target, Walmart, Amazon, Macy's closeout items. And so I always go on Dollar Day, which is on Friday. So these were $1. And they sold on Poshmark after 92 days for $8, and my fee, my profit was $5.05. Full disclosure, I did pick these up for Whatnot sales, and then ended up going on vacation. That's why they got listed. These were mine. This is an UGG suede espadrille wedge sandal with this cute little ankle strap, and I sourced these maybe 6 years ago on Poshmark. I bought them on Poshmark. I wore them. This is just not my style anymore. So I listed them, and they sold on eBay. They were listed for 226 days. They sold 30% off my asking price. The buyer paid $38.99. My profit was $28.72. I think I only paid $20 for them on Poshmark. So a win is a win. And then lastly, I got this from a consignment shop. This is Jean Paris Calif. It is a long sleeve, like jersey knit sheath dress. It kind of gives me Lily Pulitzer vibes. But they were having a fill-a-bag sale, and this is one of the items that I put in. I did expect to get more for it, but it just didn't move. So after being listed 471 days, I took an offer on it. It sold for $20, and after fees, I made $16. So made my money back. So that is it for our sales for today. Let me know down in the comments what questions you have about reselling. And I'm not coming on live today, but I will be going live daily. So give me a follow. I would love to engage with you, build a reselling community, and help you get started turning pre-owned clothing, shoes, and accessories into cash. Do all the things, and I'll see you in the next one, friends.